Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add soundboard sounds to Discord. First of all, open up the Discord in your web browser. Once you get into your Discord, click on your server. Then click on General from the dashboard and end the voice call from here. To start the voice, you need to go into General and click on Join Voice. Now make sure to allow your microphone from here. If your microphone access got denied, you can take help. After that, click on Open Soundboard icons from bottom right corner. Now, you will see your Discord sounds in various options here. You can choose any of the following sound options from here to add in your Discord. Or you can click on the Add Sound button. After that, you have to enter your sound name, choose a file, and also choose the related emoji. First of all, choose to browse your file and enter the name for it. You can also adjust the sound volume of your sound. And once you're done, click to upload. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.